Meaning of gravel.
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 Gravel. Gravel is a type of rock consisting of small, rounded stones or pebbles, typically between 2 to 60 millimeters in size. It is commonly used for construction purposes, such as road building, landscaping, and as a base material for concrete. Gravel comes in a variety of colors and types, including limestone, granite, and quartz. Due to its permeable nature, it is often used for drainage applications. Additionally, gravel can be used as a decorative feature in gardens or outdoor spaces. Overall, gravel serves a functional and aesthetic purpose in various industries.